Today we are going to recite this poem, Once I Saw a Little Bird. So first I will recite the poem line by line, and then again I will recite the poem line by line and you will recite after me. Let's start. Sing and enjoy this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Let's recite it once again, and now I will recite it line by line and you will recite after me when I will say your turn. So let's start. Once I saw a little bird, your turn. Come, hop, hop, hop. Your turn. I cried, little bird. Your turn. Will you stop, stop, stop? Your turn. I was going to the window. Your turn. To say, how do you do? Your turn. But he shook his little tail. Your turn. And away he flew. Your turn. Now again I am going to recite this poem. Just listen carefully. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. So now you need to do practice to learn how to recite this poem. If you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel Learning Tools. Thank you.